Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of school lunch ideas using ingredients from the garden. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with veggie wraps or sticks with hummus. What better way to use your garden harvest than to make a wholesome lunch for your child? Create a veggie wrap using a tortilla or lettuce. Fill the wrap with vegetables like bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. Alternatively, you can cut the vegetables into strips and slices for consumption without wrapping. Blend some tahini, chickpeas, olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice to make the hummus. You can involve your kids in making this lunch by letting them pick and arrange the veggies. Replace the hummus with some ranch or any other sauce if your child dislikes the taste of fresh vegetables. Pasta salad. The fresh herbs and vegetables from your garden make a great combination for this school lunch idea. Use your preferred cooking method or follow the instructions that come with the pasta packaging. Add the cooked pasta to your olives, feta cheese, and chopped vegetables. Add some Italian or vinaigrette dressing and let the pasta salad cool before packing it for your child's school lunch. Cream cheese cucumber sandwiches. Cream cheese cucumber sandwiches make a simple school lunch snack. Pick your child's preferred sandwich bread and spread cream cheese on top. Peel and cut the cucumber into slices, then add some bagel spice before layering them on the bread. You can also use zucchini in place of cucumbers. Mini homemade pizza. Use pita bread or sourdough to make this lunch for your kid. Smear tomato sauce and cheese on the bread, then top with garden vegetables, bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes, and let the cheese melt in the oven. Encourage your kids to create their toppings for this meal idea. Which is the best? Veggie wraps or sticks with hummus are the best school lunch idea with garden ingredients, since the vegetables are a good source of vitamins, while the chickpeas in the hummus provide protein and fiber, helping kids stay full longer. The bright and colorful vegetables are appealing and encourage picky eaters to try out new food items. It is also the best since it is simple to make and no cooking is needed. Thanks for watching.